Do I need to start?
Okay, let's start.
Good morning, everyone. This is Katie. First, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to the Kaggle team, along with the Google mentors for organizing such an insightful and hands-on Friday session. The tools, techniques, and real-world applications you share were not only educational; they were incredibly empowering. As a capstone project, my team, Mr. Irfan, and I have built something meaningful and inspired by those sessions. And we are using the Gemini capabilities from the listed ones from what we have got from the Kaggle ones are like document understanding, few short prompting, um, function calling, and Gemini evaluation. At last, we are using the retrieval augmented generation rank. So it's called Smart Resume and Correlate Generated Gemini, an AI powered assistant designed to help job seekers create tailored correlates, highlight impactful keywords from their resumes, and receive instant feedback through intelligence scoring and tips. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through how it works behind the scenes. So here we are importing the necessary libraries like FPDF and PY and the PDF. And here are the libraries we are importing over there. And next module was like boot sequence initialize this Gemini and recruiter brain. Um, so before liftoff, we initialize our AI assistants as synchronized recruiter trying to understand, critique, and enhance the critic career documents. So here what's happening was we define this persona so of our AI as a senior tech recruiter, then using Gen AI library, we connect to Gemini with our API key. Our chosen model is Gemini 2.0 Flash optimized for speed and generation quality. So next module is all about RAG Light Knowledge Brain. And here it's a curated knowledge base that links the resume terms with actionable tips. So, which helps the model to suggest improvements during the generations. Works like a mini recruited cheat sheet baked into the system. So now the next model is regarding this text wizards like extraction and cleaning. So here we are using extract text function to extract the content from uploaded PDF or docx files. So when it comes to and which is very flexible to handle multiple formats, so the user experience is seamless. Next, we are going to sanitize this text. So for that, we are using the function called sanitize text. So to cleanse the content for safe rendering, so we are going to strip out this non-ASCII or invisible characters and markdown symbols, extra spaces. The next model is having export engines like docx and docperiod. So now we are going to export, we are using the function called export cover letter to um, docx. So here we are going to add a heading and clean the paragraphs. And we are going to save the final result in docx file. Next module is regarding this enhancement magic and like using this rag and keywords. So this highlight keywords function, which wraps each keyword in a bold to make them stand out, enhances visibility for ATS and recruiters. So small simple rag. This function we are using to generate using like using a simple retrieval augmented generation approach. So here it matches this job description terms with a knowledge base, which was already defined earlier. Now it returns the relevant bonus tips and insights. Think of this as a tools like hidden AI mentor. Now we are going to catch up with the next module like entry gate, which is like generate outputs. So this function generate outputs as a will generate uh, will take the inputs like job description, resume, with a text or a file, a tone, language, and file export preference. Dynamically, we are going to extract the resume content. If a file is uploaded using extract text, then we are going to send it to this prompts to the Gemini AI to generate a personalized cover letter, to suggest resume improvements, to assign an AI score based on the keyword match, relevance, tone, etc. Users highlight keywords and to bold important terms in your resume. Applies a light rag strategy via simple rag for bonus tips. So we are going to export this docx file if enabled. So we are going to return these variables like cover letter, suggestions, highlighted resume score, rag tips, and optionally we are going to download this docx file. And we are going to handle here the errors, and even we are going to log them. So in case of any crash, like errors are printed with the tracebacks, log to error log dot text, and gracefully informs the user something went wrong. The next module is regarding this UI control panel. Here, it is powered by the Gradio. This is the user-facing dashboard. Input fields for the description, job description, and resume. Choice of tone, like we are example like professional, friendly, confident, etc. And we are going to pick this language options like English, Hindi, Spanish. We are going to upload the functionality for the resumes, toggle for the docx download. Next, we are tabbed. There are three tabbed outputs we could see over there. Like one is cover letter, suggestions and keywords, and AS score. At last, we are going to submit through submit.click, which ties everything together using generate outputs. So Gemini isn't just a generator, it's your career co-pilot helping you land your next big opportunity with tailored writing, insightful feedback, and recruiter-ready formatting. So this brings us to the end of the Smart Resume and Cover Letter Generator Gemini coding walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes of walkthrough how we build the AI powered assistants to help the job seekers craft their tailored cover letters, improve their resumes, and get real time feedback. Now, to bring this idea to life and show it in action, I would like to invite my teammate F1 to take over and walk you through a live demo of the app. Thank you once again for the opportunity, and over to you.
Thanks, Radha, for the insightful and detailed walkthrough of the code that we've created for the smart, cover letter and resume generator. So I'll quickly move on to the demo site that we hosted on the Hugging Face, portal. So this is how the UI looks like. The UI has a job description and a resume summary as an input. The tone, as my colleague Radha said, it's professional, friendly, confident, and creative. There are multiple languages that are supported that could be chosen from here, and you can upload a resume which is either in a PDF or a doc format, and or either drag and drop the files here. You can click this checkbox, if you want to download the cover letter as a docx file. The generated cover letter text will be visible here. A cover letter document file will be available here for the user download. Resume suggestion, are divided into three sections. One is the suggested resume improvements. There's highlighted resume keywords, and then extra tips from the knowledge base or the racklight that we've used. On top of it, it will also provide the AI score and justification on the resume provided. So let me quickly go ahead and add some job description. So we'll copy this job description that we've noted on this file here. So I'll just paste it here. So we need a data scientist having 12 years of experience in AI projects, data cleaning and building machine learning models. Web automation would be an added advantage. In the resume summary, I will just put the resume a summary that I have. The tone remains professional. The language is, uh, uh, I'll just click on upload file, and this is my resume that is in the Word format. I'll just click on open. It has now updated the resume. I'll also click on the generate cover letter, as docx format. And now let's see the AI in action using the Gemini 2.0 Flash. So it will take certain time to process. Uh, it usually takes near about 20 to 25 seconds. And once it has processed the output, it will fill all these boxes and show you its magic that it has created from the Gemini API. Okay, there we go. So it has created a very nice cover letter. As you can see, it has given your name, address, phone number, email address, and the date, the hiring manager name if you want to add, which is very professional in nature, right? And it's also writing the dear Miss Mrs. last name of the hiring manager. And from the resume, it has gathered and read the document, which is the document processing step my colleague Viparthi was talking about. So it reads the resume and then provides all the citations required for a cover letter. And then it creates multiple paragraphs just explaining that what the person has done. And then it also gives you, a nice sincere thanks at the end. On the resume suggestion, it has broken down into multiple sections. One is the overall impression. The resume shows a strong history of automation and efficient process improvements. And then the plan of improvement also it has given, right? The resume needs to be restructured and prioritized. The structure itself needs to emphasize the data science, which is not there, right? Uh, Quantify and highlight data science achievements, which is still not there. Tailor of the summary, technological skill set overhaul, address of experience gap, right? ATS optimization, incorporate keywords from the job description into resume naturally. So here is the advice structure also that it has given that what I should be writing in terms of the job description that I've received, right? There are extra tips from the knowledge base RAG Lite, which is highlight specific ML projects or certifications, which is very true in today's world if you were to crack any AI job, right? AI score and justification, it provides multiple scores. First is like the resume rating. Overall rating is 6 on 10. Keyword match 5 on 10. Relevance 6 on 10. Tone 7 on 10. Right? Reasoning. And then cover letter rating, which is 7 on 10. There's keyword matching again. And then recommendation and improvement for the resume. Refocus on the technological summary. Prioritize Python or SQL, right? Which are important. Rewrite the experience descriptions. Quantify achievements. Use metrics to demonstrate the impact of work. Very true. And then uh, the tailored cover letter as well. So we'll just go to the cover letter and download it, right? I'll just click on the download button and see that the cover letter is downloaded. Me just open up the cover letter and show it to you how it has downloaded the cover letter, right? So this is how the cover letter looks like, which is very professional and it can be just used as is. You just need to change your name, and details, etc., and it is ready to go. And it might land you your dream job as well. Now, for the blog spot, we've posted this onto this blog spot, which is on the blogspot.com. We've given the introduction, the key features, as my colleague Raja mentioned, how it works, the deployment we've deployed on the Hugging Face, and there's a GitHub link as well that we've given, which can be seen from here. The live demo which we just saw, right? And that is, currently what we have for this demo. And this is the final little piece of, AI that we could build with all that we've learned in this 5-day Gen AI intensive course. So, Radha, over to you for the final words, if any. Okay.
Yeah, thank you for giving such an opportunity for us to explore our skills and, of course, to make ourselves more better. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's all we have.